Merry Christmas, hobbycasters. A bit of a damp Monday, but we keep our cheer up. We're going to show you a Christmas elf. This is a boy elf reward friend, PA1922. We also have a female version of this. The elf can be painted in a variety of colours. It's up to your own imagination what you do with them. But you can cast them as many times as you want. This is what the mould itself looks like. We also must make sure the metal is nice and hot. Pour it right up to the brim. Tap the mould to help get rid of air pockets. After about 5 minutes, you can open the mould and you can see the casting. Here you are, the final casting. We just cut the ink.